You don't have a memory problem, you have a method problem. Have you ever wondered why so many learners are able to recall information and you can't? It's not because they're smarter than you, but it's because they figured out a method. And so do you. You need to figure out a method that works for you. If you're forgetting everything that you study, this is why. You are just memorizing, you are not linking. You're going to use a method called the body method. This is where we link unknown information or information we've just learned to different parts of our body. This helps us remember things easier and faster. Now, using the body method, you are never ever going to forget your work ever again. I'm going to teach you the 5 macroeconomic objectives of the state using the body method. Let's look at the scenario. You wake up in the morning, something feels oddly strange. You go and look in the mirror and you see your head is growing and growing and growing. We're going to relate your head to economic growth. You look on your shoulders and you see people working. What are we going to relate this to? We're going to relate this to full employment. You then feel your heart. Your heart feels calm and steady. We're going to relate your heart to price stability. One hand is pulling in, the other hand is pushing out. One hand is pulling in money, the other hand is pushing out money. We're going to relate this to balance of payments, equilibrium. Then you look at your legs. Your legs are of equal length. We're going to relate your legs to economic equity. Now let's link our work very quickly to our body parts. Head, economic growth. Shoulders, full employment. Heart, price stability. Arms, balance of payments, equilibrium. And lastly, legs, economic equity. That's how you do it. That's how you get the marks. Stop just memorizing and start linking.